Hey, garden lovers! Are you making the biggest mistake in your garden this fall? Are you letting October slip by without planting the flowers that will completely transform your Zone 6 garden into a stunning masterpiece? If so, you're missing out on a game-changing opportunity. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share the top flowers to plant in October that'll have your garden looking breathtaking even when the weather starts cooling down. Ready to add some jaw-dropping color to your fall garden? Let's dive in! Right, so if you're in Zone 6, October is the perfect time to plant hardy flowers that can handle the cool nights and still thrive. And guess what? These flowers aren't just pretty faces, they're resilient, easy to grow, and they'll keep blooming beautifully well into the cooler months. 1. Mom's chrysanthemums. First up, we have the classic chrysanthemums, or as most of us like to call them, mums. You've probably seen these beauties everywhere in fall gardens, and for good reason. Mums come in an explosion of colors, yellows, oranges, pinks, and purples, and they absolutely love the cool October air. Plant them now, and you'll have long-lasting blooms that'll carry you through fall. 2. Pansy. Next on our list, we've got pansies. Now, these little guys are cold, hardy champs. They can survive chilly nights and still bloom like they're soaking up the summer sun. Plus, pansies come in so many colors, you'll have no trouble finding the perfect ones to match your garden's vibe. Trust me, they're easy to plant and thrive in Zone 6. 3. Snapdragons. These stunning flowers not only bring a variety of colors, but also add height to your flower beds, giving your garden that layered, professional look. Snapdragons love cool weather, and October is ideal for planting them. They'll keep blooming until the frost really settles in, so they're a must-have for your fall garden lineup. 4. Calendula. Let's talk about calendula, often called pot marigold. This is another flower that loves the cool temperatures of fall. With its rich, golden petals, calendula not only looks stunning, but is also super easy to care for. You'll plant it once and it'll keep going strong, blooming away through the cooler months. 5. Sedum, autumn joy. If you're looking for something a little different, sedum is your go-to flower for fall. Specifically, the variety Autumn Joys is perfect for Zone 6. Its thick, fleshy leaves and clusters of pinkish-red blooms add an unusual yet beautiful texture to your garden. Plus, it's a tough plant. It won't wither at the first sign of frost. 6. Hellebor's Christmas Rose. And last but not least, we've got hellebores, also known as the Christmas Rose. While most flowers start to fade in the late fall, hellebores are just getting started. They're shade-loving, cold-hardy, and they'll actually start blooming in the middle of winter. Planting them in October gives them time to establish before the deep freeze, and you'll be rewarded with blooms when you least expect them. So, there you have it. Those are the top flowers to plant in October for a stunning Zone 6 garden. Whether you're adding vibrant mums or the unexpected beauty of hellebores, each of these flowers will bring life, color, and personality to your fall garden. The best part: these flowers are easy to grow and they'll keep your garden looking lively even as the temperatures drop. So, grab your gardening gloves, get outside, and start planting. Your fall garden makeover awaits. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips. Now go out and give your garden the glow up it deserves. Happy planting!